He worked his daily 14 hours below, and rarely saw the sunset or sunrise. He watched his little family try to grow, but he could see the sorrow in her eyes. He sold up nearly everything he owned. In the terraced house he rented from the mine, said goodbye to all the friends he'd ever known, and sailed away in 1929. They came a long, long way from Tiger Bay on the wild, wide sea, to be free, free, free. They huddled up on deck against the cold, smiling through the tears they tried to hide, and they wondered what the future years would hold. As they headed for Toronto on the tide, the steelworks gave employment at the start, but what they found was worse than what they left, and with the dream of freedom burning in their hearts, September found them heading for the west. They came a long, long way from Tiger Bay on the wild, wide sea, to be free, free, free. At Calgary they saw the winter out, but the icy northern winds came thick and wide, and late one night he heard his lady shout, the time had come to have their precious child. He did his best to save the seed he'd sown, and soon he heard his baby's gentle cries, but the new life she had given cost her own, and he saw the love light dying in her eyes. They came a long, long way from Tiger Bay on the wild, wide sea, to be free, free, free. The preacher's words made such a lonely sound as they laid her body in the frozen clay, and the dreams they'd shared were buried underground in the foothills of the Rockies far away. They came along